Hey peeps, it's me Kay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So today, as promised to my friend Chris, I'm going to make the yogurt treats that I make a lot for the brat, and I'm just going to show you what I put in it. I'll do my best to show you as much as possible. I was trying to find a right angle to use my tripod, but it just wasn't working. I just don't have the counter space for it. So I'll show you what I'm going to put in it, and I'll show you how I'm going to blend it in my magic bullet here. So I'm going to do bananas and blueberries, and some flax seed, and this is what I usually use, kefir. It is unsweetened, so you want to get the plain unsweetened kind. And there is no measurements, you guys. So you just kind of, pour it in there. You just pour it in there. I'll show you once I put everything in there. These are the silicone molds that I like to use, but you don't need them. You can use regular ice cube trays. I just bought these because they were really cheap one day on Amazon, so I bought them. So I'll show you when I put it in. I'll show you what it looks like when I blend it up. I'll show you what it looks like when I pour it in and when they're done. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, so I put some blueberries, just a few blueberries. I put the whole banana. I put some flaxseed, about a teaspoon or a little bit more, maybe a teaspoon and a half. And I put some of the kefir in there. Now I may add some more depending on what it looks like once I blend this up, and I will show you when I pour them inside the molds. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I blend it. I don't think I'm going to need to put any more, so I think this is good, and I'm going to try to just I put it on this cookie sheet because it's easier to sit properly in the freezer, because I actually have food in the freezer. So I'm just going to pour it in a couple. These are so simple. You can use whatever type of fruit. Sometimes I use peanut butter. Trying not to move the camera and not to spill it at the same time. So I think I might have enough for both. Pretty sure. You can use anything. You can put vegetables. Sorry if you hear my son. He's gaming. If your dog doesn't like vegetables, luckily Brooklyn likes everything. It's a good way to sneak some vegetables. All right, I'm going to finish this and I'll come back when they're done. All right, you guys. So I have this tiny bit left. So I will probably just put this in like an ice cube tray and freeze that. But there is the mixture right there, and I'll show you when they're done. Okay peeps, so they are done. I just will try to pop one out to show you what it looks like from the mold. Cute. Let's give the brat one. Hold on. Easy. So that's it peeps. Really simple. You can add any combination of things. I've done pumpkin and apple. I've done strawberry and banana. You can do anything. People have done, I haven't given Brooklyn any coconut water yet, but people have done coconut water and like watermelon. So these are great for summer, especially after a walk. Give her one of these and cool her off. So that's it. I hope that helps. Like I said, there's no real measurement. And you don't have to blend the fruit and the yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurt. Just make sure it's plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. You don't have to use the kefir. And you don't have to, sorry, my son is so loud. you don't have to blend the fruit like I did. Sometimes, I mean, before I got my piece for my magic bullet, I was just cutting up the fruit in little pieces and just dropping them in here, and I just pour the kefir on top, or you can just scoop in the yogurt, however you want to do it. It's simple, and I hope you enjoy this little video. Sorry I'm not showing my face today. I'm tired. I look a hot mess, and yeah. So hope that helps, Chris. Hope that helps anybody who wants a really simple, quick, healthy treat for your pup. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe if you have not already. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, all that good stuff. It definitely helps my channel grow. And I'll be back with some more videos soon, I guess. I'm just going to put these in a Ziploc and toss them in the freezer. All right, you guys. Okay, there they go. Sorry about the shadow. There they go.